Hey everyone, this is Jonathan with WTI and this is a Caterpillar S22 Flip phone. My favorite thing is the durability. This phone is IP68 water resistant. That means it can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and come out undamaged. I even wash it with soap and it still works fine. It's perfect for anyone who needs a phone that can handle tough environments. And it's not just water. This phone is also dust proof, so you don't have to worry about dirt, sand, or debris getting inside and damaging it. This level of protection is invaluable for those working in challenging conditions. Now, this is a flip phone, but it still has the essential features of a modern smartphone, such as a decent 5 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front camera for selfies. You can even do video calls in this thing. Now, it's true that it has a keypad, but you can also use it with the touchscreen. So you can access all your favorite apps just like on any other smartphone. You can browse the web, check social media, and even use your favorite Maps app to navigate with GPS. Now, this phone is also built like a tank. It is designed to withstand drops from up to 6 feet, and I've dropped this phone multiple times and it still works like new. No cracks, no issues. So this is a great option for those who need a phone that can withstand tough conditions without sacrificing modern features. And that's my point of view.